the Bee Adventurer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Bee Cool Adventurer electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, pedals, and a hat. Just to highlight the assembly process, basically you have to install the handlebars, install the front wheel, attach the front light, pedals, and seat, and install the rear rack and rear light. Going over some specs, this comes in 3 colors, black, green, and navy. It has an aluminum alloy frame, 750 watt rear hub motor, 1100 watt peak power, with 88 Newton meters of torque, 48 volt 21 amp hour lithium battery. It has an 80 mile range on pedal assist and 50 mile range on throttle only, 28 mile per hour top speed, 26 by 4 inch all-terrain fat tires, 5 pedal assist levels and twist throttle, Shimano 7-speed, LCD display, hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear lights, front and rear fenders, front suspensions and rear suspensions, and it weighs in at 78 pounds. A walkthrough around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front light, front fender, front suspensions, 26 by 4 inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes. Towards the middle and the rear, you have the battery keyhole, suspension, kickstand, and hydraulic disc brakes. A view from the rear, you can see the rear rack, rear light, and rear fender. On the other side, you have the 750 watt rear motor, 7-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. The handlebar area, you have the brake levers, controls, LCD display, gear shifter, and twist throttle. Now to turn on the bike, there's actually a power button here right on the battery, so you want to make sure that's on. Once you have that pressed, on the left side you have the controls, so hold down the mode button and that will turn on the display. Pressing the up button will increase the pedal assist levels, and there's 5 levels, and then pressing down will decrease it. Pressing the mode button again will change from trip and odometer, so you can see those views, and then holding down the up arrow will turn on the lights. So you can see here the front light along with the rear light. You also have turn signals, so just left or right. And once that's activated, you can see here in the rear. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. I normally take the e-bikes down this trail, which is pretty bumpy. The bike does have front suspension forks and rear suspensions along with the fat tires, and it also has a lockout feature. I currently have the lockout feature off, so the suspension should go to work. All right, let's see how it does. Here we go. All right, so far so good. Handling it very well here. Absorbing a lot of the bumps. All right, handle that with ease. Now on to the speed test. First we'll do the pedal assist levels. This has 5 levels. I'm going to cycle through each one and see how fast they go. After that we'll just use the twist throttle. So I'm going to start off with pedal assist 1. Here we go. So pedal assist 1 looks like 6 miles per hour. Moving to 2. All right, we're at about 12, almost 13. Moving to 3. You can feel the pickup now. Hitting about 19 and a half. Number 4. About 26. And 5. So we hit about 29. All right, so it looks like about 29 on pedal assist 5. So on the pedal assist, we hit about 29 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now I'm just going to use the throttle only, and let's see how fast we can go. All right, here we go, throttle only. All right, you have that nice, smooth, gradual acceleration. And we're up to 20 already. 27. 29. All right, so it looks like we hit 29 miles per hour with the twist throttle. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes, and you can use the parking lines as reference. All right, now time for the uphill test. I'm going to take it up this road. It has a nice gradual incline throughout. Let's see if it maintains the speed or if it loses speed. We saw that with the speed test. We hit about 29 miles per hour. So let's see if it can maintain that or if it drops off. All right, here we go. Uphill test. Now I'm just going to use the twist throttle on this. All right, we're at 20 miles per hour. 27, 28. We're beginning the climb, so roughly 27, beginning the climb here. Just losing a little bit of speed. We dropped down to 25, 23. A little bit of a downhill here. Into the turn. So with the uphill test, we began the climb at about 27. It dropped off a little bit to 25, 23, and then back up to 27. It had a lot of power. I didn't feel it struggle at all, and it was able to power through. Now I'm going to do the downhill test, and let's see how it handles. As always, as I approach the middle part of the street there, I'm going to probably have to slow it down or just let it glide. All right, here we go, downhill test. All right, we're at 26. I'm going to let it glide here, slowing it down a bit. Handling very well, no rattles, no vibrations. The steering feels stable. And we're at about 29 now. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through the process. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a matte finish and there were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the lights, rack, and fenders. The bike feels solid and is well put together. The frame is on the larger side, so if you're a shorter rider, keep that in mind. The cables were well organized and the majority are ran through the frame. The saddle is wide and soft and was very comfortable, and I had no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are decent length, and the steering felt stable. It was tight and there was no rattles or vibrations. It handled the rough surfaces with no issues. The front and rear suspensions along with the fat tires absorbed a lot of the bumps. The 750 watt motor, 1100 watt peak, was strong. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 25 miles per hour. With pedal assist, I reached 29 miles per hour along with the twist throttle. This has an advertised max speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 80 miles. This will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The hydraulic brakes had good stopping power and they grabbed on quick. The display is large and intuitive, easy to read, and it doesn't get washed out on bright sunny days. Overall, I feel this is a solid and capable bike. It's priced competitively and comes with a lot of accessories. The adventurer in the name definitely lives up to it, as you can take it on various terrain and have plenty of power and range. So that is my review of the B Adventurer electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.